viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, in last video we have discussed about Binance Smart Chain Wallet, how we can rename our all wallet of multiple wallets. This is so simple and easy. If you need to change your wallet name, so please watch my last video. Last video is very informative for you. So viewers, today we are going to discuss about how we can get or find private key of our multiple wallets. Yes, if you need to find your all multiple wallets at one place, so you must watch this video till end, because sometimes you have created a multiple wallets and you have not take the backup of, you have not find the private key. So this video will be helpful for you. So you can get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, best cryptocurrency wallets. You can see here. You can also get same information in Urdu language. So go to link this channel and must subscribe this channel and also watch all videos of this channel if you need to get same information in Urdu language. So now first of all I'm going to log in or open my Binance Smart Chain wallets, and today we are going to find all multiple wallets private key at one place. So I have already opened my notepad file because I'm going to put here my all information of my wallets and also my private key. So you can see here the icon is shown here. I just simple click on it. So now the wallet is going to open front of me. You can see here the wallet is open front of me, and this time is Farooq wallet is connected. You can see here the name is shown here, Farooq wallet. And if you need to get or find all wallets private key, so what will you do at one place? Simple click on it. So you can see here there is almost 5 to 6 wallets. The first way is find the private key of all wallets at one place. You simple go to the click on manage wallet. You can see here there is manage wallet, and there is shown all your created multiple wallets, and you need to find the private key of all your multiple wallet at one place. So this is your place. This is means a place where you can find all private key. Let's suppose I need to find the first of all account number 1 or account my main account private key. Simple click on this key option, simple click on it, and simple enter your password here. I have entered my password. Before going to find the private key, you must read the caution. Never disclose this key. Anyone with your private key can sell any asset held in your account. So going to click on next. Now you can see here my private key is shown in front of me. I just simple copy, open the notepad file, and write here account name, account 0 private key. So private key. Paste here and separate with double slash because I have saved my first wallet private key. Now going to click on back button and going to click on Rauf wallet private key. Simple click on it, enter your password here like me. I've entered my password. Simple click on next, copy your private key. Simple copy, open notepad file and enter first of all account name Rauf wallet and paste here, and you can see here we have separate with double dash. Click on back button. The third wallet is Kashi wallet. Simple click on private key option, enter your password here and next. Also find first we need to enter the or write here the name of wallet, because when we need to recover our wallet, then this information helpful for us. Private key. Now you can see here viewers, we have find 3 wallets private key in just a 1 minute, almost 1 minute. So you can find also other wallets private key, like I'm going to also find one more wallet private key. Just simple click on key option, enter your password here, click on next button, copy private key, simple, open notepad file, write here the name of your wallet which you have written, Wajid wallet private key, and paste here. You don't need to write also address. You just simple copy your all private key on from your Binance Smart Chain Wallet and just simple paste here your notepad file. But before going to save this your notepad file, you must cross check you have write or paste here your private key correctly or not, otherwise you can't recover or you never recover your wallet. Before going to copy your private key, you must cross check first 3 digits and last 3 digits. You can see here, if I'm going to cross check of my this wallet, so you can see the first 3 digits 8D5, also you can shown here 8D5, last 3 E02 or E02, you can say E02, means my all private key or my this private key is 100% correct. I have correctly copy and paste in my notepad file. After stop this video, I will save this notepad file in safe place and also write these private key in my personal diary and some notepad file, and also copy or also print of this page, because when I need to recover, restore, import my wallet, then these private key will be helpful for me. I can easily import my wallet. But also keep in your mind, before going to save your private key, you must check you have not open any phishing website or any link, otherwise your fund will be lost. Okay, and also keep in your mind, don't use these information your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. So if you do this, so must be your fund will be lost. Okay, and the first way we have we have find the all private key on one place. So let's suppose you want to find the private key one by one. So what will you do? That's method is long. You just simple click on first of all wallet name or number, Wajid wallet. After that click on 3 dot and then click on export private key, then enter your password, and after that you find the private key. I think whereas you have create multiple wallets, so this way is very easy way where you can find the all private key of your all multiple wallets on one place. Simple click on profile area, go to the manage area, and you can just simple click on key options, and you will find all your private key in 1 or 2 3 minutes of your all wallets. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. And you can also get same information in English Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.